Lovelies, so I'm going to show you a project that you can earn $20 every day by simply doing tax, by simply converting tokens to USDT. Yes, this is not a bit, this is not fake, this is real. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process. Remember I said in my live video that I am on the lookout now for projects that are worth your time. I also said that my Telegram subscribers on my Telegram channel have amazing projects that have been letting me know of. If you are not set on my Telegram channel, you are not doing yourself any good at all. The link to join the Telegram channel is always in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. So this is a project that you can earn $20 every day doing simple tasks, converting gems, converting tokens to USDT. Now you need to join via the link or sign up via the link I'm going to also be leaving in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. Also, the link is going to be on my Telegram channel if you are on my Telegram channel. This is not Ponsi and it is not a clickbait. So it's called Efsane or Efsane, but to call it Efsane. If you click on the link in the description box of this video, you will need to come here and register with your phone number. Make sure you come here. You can do this if you're in any country. You come here, you change this to your country. I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on the search icon and choose Nigeria. Then you're going to enter your phone number. I'm going to enter my phone number here. I'm going to blur this so that YouTube doesn't flag my video for sharing my private information. Then after entering your phone number, now you will now come here and you are going to click on send verification code. So you click on this and you just wait for them to send the verification code. And they can send the verification code either through a text or through your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp number. So you can just be on the lookout for where the message is going to drop. So you come here, you click on verify you are human. You see, I'm doing this live for you so that you can see, and it says success. Then I'm going to wait for them to send me the code. They can also call you to send you a text, the code. They just call right now to send me the code. Yes, so you can either receive it via text message, you can receive it via call, you can receive it via your WhatsApp. Either way, you will receive your code. Now, another trick is if you are in Nigeria and you enter your country code, remember we have 11 digits on our country, on our numbers. Remove the first digit, remove the first zero. That is how it works in Nigeria. So I'm going to enter the code now that they called me to mention. A number will just call you and call out the country code for you. That's how I got my own. So I'm going to write my own now. I just wrote my own code now, and then after writing the code just like this, if you click on the invitation or the referral link in the description box of this video, my first pinned comment, you have an invitation code. You need to click on that to get your invitation code. It is compulsory. Then you create your password. Then after entering your password, you're just going to come here and then you are going to click on verify that you are human. So I'm going to click on that box to check it, and then just wait for it to verify. Don't go and click on register when it has not showed verified. If you click on register, it's not going to work. So once, let me click that, shows success. If it shows success, then you can go ahead to register. You click on the icon that shows register here to register. So if you're new to my vlog channel, welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates. I also hunt for tangible airdrop and projects that you can mine and earn cool cash at the comfort of your home. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food trade, commercial fruit drinks, or commercial drinks from time to time. I also share my millinery tutorials too. So this is that channel you want to say subscribe to. So you're just going to come here and you see that I successfully created an account, and I'm just going to log in. The link to this project is in the description box of this video, or my first pinned comment, or my Telegram channel. Another thing I forgot to mention is that your password must be between 6 to 16 characters. It must be at least 6 characters, and it must not be more than 16 characters. So you verify, and then you come here, you click on log in. Once it brings you here, you're going to be seeing this menu. On this menu, if you click on your personal center, you can see your username. You can change your username. You can enter your address, your wallet address, and then you click on save. You can only save that information once every. You can only change it once every day. At least if you made a change now, you have to wait till next before you make another change if it's another change you want. And if you click on this assets, you see the assets you have. But I don't want to walk you through all that. You can do all that by yourself. Then I'm just going to show you this tax center. You come to this tax center. This is how you earn on this platform. You can share the lucky draw betting, daily check-in. This is very, very important. Make sure you check in daily so that you can earn. Then you refer. If I click on that same drop down button again, on this particular drop down button, you can click here to see your invitation reward. Once you recommend friends, you copy your link, you come down here, you copy your link. Once you copy your link and refer others, you are also earning. Yes, it is that simple. Then you can come here and look at your account security and do more changes. Now, if you're not on the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel immediately, because when there are updates on Efsane, I'm going to be dropping it on the Telegram channel. I also try to do videos about updates, about how to swap, about how to withdraw, about how to so many things. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. So this is that project where you can earn at least $20 every day just doing simple tax. If I come down here, you will see that there's it will show my gems. It will show my gems. So you need to come here and click on sign in. You click on sign in and it says sign in successfully. Now you need to log in here every day. You need to log in every day so that you can earn on this platform. If you don't log in every day, you'll not be able to earn anything on this platform. Now, another way you can earn on this project is to invite others. Even to your third referrals, you still earn from even to your top referrals. You can convert a lot of things, not only gems. You can convert a lot of tokens. You can convert a lot of coins to USDT here. Yes, you can convert gems. If you do engage in tax, simple tax, I'm going to walk through the process. You can convert text. You can convert Pi. You can convert this Phi to your to USDT. Yes, you can earn as little as $20 every day just simply doing tax. And that's what I want you to note is, remember that when you're on the crypto web space, the tokens, the coins fluctuate, right? So these are what you can convert Phi, you can convert text, you can convert BTC. There are so many things you can convert to USDT on this platform, on this project. Now look at the prices, 0.88047. If you want to convert to USDT, if you have text, want to convert it. One trick is, after you've earned, you can leave your tokens, leave your coins to grow or accumulate before you convert, because there's always a little fees they are going to allocate or withdraw, take from you when you want to convert. A very, very little fee, minimum fee. So you copy your referral code and then you invite your friends. Trust me, it is worth your time. Now, watch my video to this point. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This way you stay in the know of project like this, because yes, I am so intentional about bringing to you a project that does well. So that is all for me for now. See you in another subsequent video, definitely today. Bye for now.